Hi everyone. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Daisha.
My name is Utari. Today we are going to discuss passage 6, which talk about how astronomers collect and process image from telescope.
Astronomers have long used direct photography to gather large amounts of information from telescopes. To do this, they have specialized sensitive coating on glass plates, whose size depend on the type of telescope employed. Certain wide-field telescopes commonly record very large glass plates. They plants, though not bad, can be used accordingly and can preserve information over a long period of time, providing a record that an astronomer at later time examine. However, even though long-time exposure increase an amount of light striking that lets that very faint object in the sky eventually show up clearly. Even the most sensitive plates convert only a small percent of the photos, tricking them into image. From this reason, photography cannot make a very efficient use of short time exposure on a telescope. The speed time efficiency photograph is still very useful because it works as a two-dimensional director covering a large area at telescope focus. Hence, the information contained or in a single photography can be enormous, especially when the photography is taken with wide field telescope.
Today, the technology of newer radio and X-ray telescope has allowed astronomers to view images otherwise invisible to the eye. And direct photography is now used less of the gathered image. Today, astronomers can study an enchanted view of the telescope, focus on television monitor, and in most cases, the data can later be converted by computer into the digital form. This procedure, called image processing, play a central role in astronomy today. Using false color, the computer can display image of information otherwise undetectable to the untrained eye. These colors are false in the sense that they are not the actual color of the object in the visual range of the spectrum. Rather, they are coded to a specifically properly such as the X-ray emission from the star.
Without further ado, let's begin our discussion. Utari, besides gathering information, what does the direct photography provide for astronomers?
It's provided as a permanent record that astronomers can examine with whenever they need it.
That's interesting. What determines the size of the glass plates used in photography?
The size depends on the type of the telescope being used.
Earlier, you can explain the photography is not very efficiency. Is that why astronomers often need long exposure time?
Yes, that's right. They need long exposure time because only a small percent of photo creates an image on the telescope plates.
Even so, why can a single photograph then contain a large amount of information?
Because photography records a wide area of the telescope focus.
Oh, I understand. How do astronomers usually study image for modern telescopes?
They usually study an enchanted image on a television monitor.
Why is image processing so important in modern astronomy? Why?
Because it helps astronomers improve image quality and analyze the data more ac- accurately.
Okay, I have one more question about it. Why are the colors in processing image color false colors?
Because they are not the real colors of the object. They are used to show information that cannot be seen by the human eye. Okay, Teresa, what have astronomers long used to gather large amount of information from telescope?
I think astronomers have a long used direct photography.
Okay, next question. What do the glass flats use the photography have?
They have special like sensitive coating.
Okay, I see. One more question. Why can photography make very efficient use of the short time exposure on a telescope?
Because only a small percent of the photos striking the pellets convert into image.
Okay, that's clear. Why is photography still very useful despite in the efficiency?
I think because it works as a two-dimensional direct covering a large area at a telescope focus.
Great. Next, what has allowed astronomers to view images otherwise invisible to the eye?
The technology of never radio and X-ray telescopes.
All right, Teresa, what is the procedure called when data is converted into digital form?
It's calling image processing.
Okay, what are false color used to display?
They are used to display image of information other side on the table to the under eye.
Okay, I see. So, the last question, what is the biggest advantage of modern technology compared with traditional photography?
I think modern technology allows astronomers to absorb space more efficiently, produce clearly images, and analyze data such faster.
Okay, thank you, Teresa. Your explanation really helped me understand the passage better.
You're welcome, Tari. I enjoy our discussion, and I hope everyone also learned something new about modern astronomers. Thank you for listening.
Yeah.